Now we all, same human being, we all want a happy life. Actually, each day is new day, new birthday. So we, every morning when we wake up, think, now this new day, birthday, I must carry this birthday happy sort of day, and in order to be happy day, keep here more compassionate feeling, sense of concern of others' well-being. That's the ultimate source of happy mind, happy feeling. That brings self-confidence. That creates honest, truthful. So your life, that new day become more meaningful day. Through that way, that day carry transparent. That brings trust. Trust is the basis of friendship. We are social animal. Friendship very important. Friendship cannot buy by money or cannot bring by force. Only warm-heartedness. So that I practice that. So I want to share with those good wishes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.